Hello, you guys, and welcome back to Lifestyle Lux with Gina. With 2025 right around the corner, I'm so excited to share a fun and creative way to build your dream life and achieve your goals. If you've been thinking about vision boards and goal settings, something fresh and effective, you're in the right place. Today, we'll combine creativity, strategy, touch of inspiration to map out your best year yet. So let's go ahead and dive in. Okay, so before we do anything, number one, the first thing we're going to do is visualization. Okay, so do this when your kids are in the bed. Do it when maybe there's really quiet in your house. Light you a candle, grab you something to drink, some wine, because this is going to be the start this is going to be a good video. You guys watch it in its entirety because we are going to go step by step on how we're going to achieve these goals. Now, I will say I've been doing vision boards for about 15 years plus, okay? And I always like to go back and look and see what have came true. And I will say about 90% of things always come true on my vision board every single year. So I know a thing or two about vision boards and achieving your dreams. So let's go ahead and let's dive right into it. So the first thing I want you to do is take a deep breath in and take a deep breath out. We are going to visualize what you want in 2025. I want you to take a moment, close your eyes. Are they closed? Okay, close your eyes. And imagine it is December 2025. Picture your dream life. Where are you? What are you doing? How do you feel? Are you healthy? Are you thriving in a career? Or are you spending more time with loved ones? But really let yourself feel those emotions because visualization is so important and it helps you to focus the things that is truly important. You got it? Great. Now let's go ahead and turn that vision into a plan. All right, number two, going to create a lifestyle map. Instead of the traditional vision boards, we're going to do something a little bit different this time. We're going to create a lifestyle map. Think of it as a vision board in a strategic plan. You can either do boards or paper, whatever you want to do. But what we're going to do is we're going to divide them into different sections. Here's your sections that you want to write down. You want to do career, you want to do health, you want to do relationships, personal growth, and do not forget fun because we need to have fun on there, okay? Got to have all of those areas. Each section, you're going to paste images. So you want some images of what you want to see. Maybe you want to open a business. So get someone that is opening a business. You want a picture of that. Also put quotes, inspiration quotes, things to make you feel a certain way or things that kind of speak to your spirit. Now, I will say I have created a vision board book. I do have a few left. I'll leave a link in the description box. You have all the pictures, you've got positive quotes, you got everything right there in that book. So I will link that below. With everything like that, you can put Bible scriptures, whatever's going to inspire you, that's what we're going to put into those. Be specific as well. Want to lose weight? Maybe put a picture of like a woman with tennis shoes, maybe somebody running, maybe write down you want to do 10,000 steps a day. Whatever you want to do, you want it to be as specific as possible. Next, you're going to want either a planner or a notebook. One of the two, because what we're going to do is we're going to break them up into mini sections, okay? So you don't want to just say, I want to lose 50 pounds. That sounds like a whole lot, and it is a lot to get there. But if we break them up into little pieces, like I want to lose just 3 pounds a month. I want to lose 10 pounds a month. Whatever you want to get to your goal, break it up. So I want to save $5,000 a year. That's great to save $5,000 a year. How much is that a week that what do you have to do to get to that amount? So we're going to break them up into little mini sections because it's so much more attainable like that. I promise you, you're going to be like, oh, I hit my goal for the week. I did it. I made so much per month, or I did it. I put up all this money. Like whatever your goals is, you're going to be happy. You're not going to continue letting yourself down because when you see the big picture, it's a lot. But when you see the little picture, it's like that, I think I can achieve that. Something that a lot of people, they kind of skip over, and that is daily rituals. You need to start a daily ritual. You wake up in the morning, have your coffee, Take out your gratitude journal or take out a journal. Take a moment, reflect what you want to do for the day. Write down so you can cross things off the list. Ooh, I did this, I did that. Do a daily ritual, something that's going to help you to get to your goals. Take a few moments and just close your eyes and just focus on, what is life going to look like for me? What is it going to look like? Like, I get really excited. I'm going to skip back to the visualization part. I live in Michigan, so sometimes there's snow. Well, in the winter there's snow. And we have long winters. And sometimes I would just look outside and I would just think, I'm like, oh, like I would just vision my life back in the summer or back when it's warm, where I have my garden and I love to go outside and garden, and I have a huge garden. And I just imagine myself out there and just imagining the warm weather. And that sometimes helped me to get to where I need to go to get through that winter. So visualization is something that's huge. Doing that as well, when you're taking that moment for your daily rituals, it's easy to light a candle. It's easy to have your coffee. It's easy to, because it'll get you in that mood and you'll look forward to that. You'll be like, maybe you have small children. Well, then you wake up about a half hour or 10 minutes or 15 minutes, however long it takes you to get through your ritual. Have a husband that wakes up at the same time, but try to plan your time so you can incorporate all those things that you want to incorporate. Just don't forget to celebrate the small wins. You guys, every time you get to, like, say for instance, you want to save that money for the month, every time you get there, celebrate it. Be happy about it. Like, that's a huge thing to do. If you're losing weight, that's a huge thing to do. Even if you lost 2 pounds for the month, that's huge. We're going to celebrate those wins and imagine that you got to your goal. Every time you accomplish something for the week or the month or the day, we are going to celebrate and be happy. Celebrating and looking back at pictures and looking back at your journals, looking back at your gratitude, that shows how far you have come. That's why it's so important to do that, to take pictures of yourself, to take pictures of yourself, take pictures of your bank account, just to see how far you have come. I hope it inspired you and help you to get creative with your goals and really take charge of 2025. Remember that building your dream life isn't just about reaching big milestones, but it's about the journey and the little habits that make up your everyday life. If this video resonated with you, then give a thumbs up, you guys. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Now, I want to hear from you. What's one goal you are looking to accomplish in 2025? Write it in the comments below, you guys. I answer all of the questions or all of the comments that come in. I want to hear from you. Y'all heard from me. I want to hear from you. So with that being said, I love you guys. Stay luxurious. I will talk to y'all later. See you in the next video. Bye, guys.